Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a workplace on the Facebook mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device. And you want to select your profile icon in the top right. And at this point, you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy, and then select the Settings button. Scroll down on this page until you get to Audience and Visibility and select Profile Details. At this point, you can go ahead and select the Add Work Experience. You can go ahead and enter a workplace in here, and then you would select Save. You can set the public visibility, so if you want to have it set to friends, only you or everyone can see it basically. So we're going to go ahead and leave the page. If you want to edit that detail later, you can select the pencil icon next to that, and then you can go ahead and edit the workplace or edit the life event, depending on how you set it up originally. So pretty straightforward process on that, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.